Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and this is EleWebDev, which is short for Elementor website development. This channel is dedicated to beginners and intermediates of the Elementor page builder for WordPress. Today I'm going to be talking to the intermediates. We're going to push our skills with containers a little bit more. The past couple of videos I have released, I have been working with containers and working through tutorials and figuring things out. And so today we'll just roll on with another example. I saw this on the internet and I said, let me just recreate this. It's a little askewed right now. I noticed that when I just got started. So let me fix this real quick so that, somebody's saying, it's not in alignment. No worries. Let's go to advanced and let's make that bottom margin. 31. Okay. So that kind of gives away what I just did. So what we're going to do is recreate this because it's a little challenging. So obviously I have two major containers here. When the tricky part came with this button on how to get this button to align top to bottom and left to right. So let's get started then. I'm going to create a 2-column layout. And for time purposes, I'm just going to copy and paste. But we'll go through the setup of the containers from the grandparent to the child. Okay. So I'm just going to come up here, and what I did was, in order to get this semi-centered, there is some padding that has to happen on a pixel basis in order to get the alignment of these two bottom icon boxes to align with this other icon box. So let me just copy this, and I will paste it in here. And I will right click and copy, and I will paste in here. And I will take the paragraph and I will copy, and I will, even if you click on this one and hit paste, it will always copy it below it. Okay. And so I'm going to right click and copy and paste. All right. And I'm just going to, copy and paste. Well, this is just a waste of time, isn't it? No, it is not. Okay, we are getting there. So we have to align some things. So in previous videos, we understand that the default setting for a container and its items are in a column. We don't want a column, so I'm going to change it to a row. And oh Nelly, we've got a problem. So what would happen if I decided to wrap things? It fixes that problem. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste just this item here because I want to go through the problem that's going to happen over here. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in here, and I'm just going to copy this one. I'm just going to duplicate. How about duplicate? Okay, we have the same thing happening. We still have a column going on, and we need to edit the container, go to the items, and make sure it is a row, but we need it to wrap. And that will fix that. So we will just stop right there. And we need to add a button over here, just like this one is. This is where the problem's going to start, is this button. So if I come over here and I just grab a button, I don't want to copy and paste that one because it's going to give away the secret. So I'm going to grab a button and I'm just going to, now this is new with the containers. Yes, this will drop it right beside it. Okay. So we have our button, but we need it centered top to bottom and left to right. How do we do that? Okay, so the first thing is, let's get it centered left to right. No, top to bottom, excuse me. So I'm gonna edit the button, and I'm gonna go to the advanced, and I'm gonna align the self to center. Well, that gets it top to bottom. And one would think you would go back to the content and say center. It doesn't move. So let's just turn that off. What I found what you need to do is, you notice how it is not full width, it's inline. Well, we need to make it full width. So I'm going to right click and edit the button, and I'm going to go back to advanced, and the width, I'm going to say full width. We have a problem. So that's not going to work. So what are we going to do? So let's go to custom, and we're back to custom width inline. But what if I decided that I wanted to make the width of this button fill the rest of the allotted space? Let's give that a try. So I'm going to hit percentage, and I'm going to grab the width of the button, and I'm going to make it until it starts to wrap again. So 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, let's go back 48%. Okay. Now let's see if we go back to content and align the button. Let's see what happens. Well, there you go. We got it aligned to the center. So what did we do? We forced the width of this item, of the button itself, in advanced. The width is custom, forced to fill the percentage of the remaining space, and then we went back to content and aligned it to center. And that's how that worked. So we have our padding working. We've got a little squeeze going on over here. So what if we come into this container and edit it, and let's say that we add a little bit of padding on the left of, say, 10 pixels. Not enough, so let's go 20. That looks good. So that is about what I have to show you today. And that little tricky button, and making it the percentage width of the remaining space, and then aligning it to center. I hope this series of containers is helping you learn how to use them better, and I'll see you later.